Building a safer future. Archie always admired construction sites. He loved watching cranes lift steel beams and workers transform old buildings into something new. But one day, while visiting a renovation site with his uncle, a safety supervisor, he noticed everyone wearing full protective suits. "What are they doing?" Archie asked. "They're asbestos abatement technicians," his uncle explained. "They remove dangerous materials from old buildings so people can live and work safely." That day, Archie discovered that some of the most important builders are the ones who make buildings safe again. What asbestos abatement technicians do. As Archie grew, he learned that asbestos abatement technicians protect people and the environment by safely removing materials that contain asbestos, a once common building material that can be harmful if inhaled. They perform many essential tasks: site assessment, identifying asbestos hazards, and collecting samples for lab testing. Containment setup, creating sealed areas with barriers and air systems to prevent dust spread. Removal, using special tools and techniques to safely remove asbestos from walls, pipes, and floors. Decontamination, cleaning the site, tools, and protective suits to ensure safety. Disposal, packaging, and disposing of asbestos waste according to environmental laws. Air quality monitoring, testing air samples to confirm the area is safe after removal. Archie realized that asbestos technicians are like invisible heroes, protecting communities by keeping the air clean and buildings safe. High school preparation. In high school, Archie focused on subjects that would help him understand safety, construction, and the science of materials. Mathematics for measurements, area calculations, and safe planning. Science. Chemistry, FAMP, environmental studies to understand materials and how asbestos affects health. Construction, FAMP, trades courses to learn building basics, tools, and job site safety. Career. FAMP, technology studies, CTs for hands, on learning about maintenance and occupational safety. Physical education, to build strength and stamina for physically demanding work. He also volunteered with his school's maintenance team and joined a construction trades youth program to gain early experience with tools and teamwork. Post-secondary training. After high school, Archie enrolled in a government-approved asbestos worker training course in Alberta. There, he learned the science of asbestos and its effects on human health, proper use of personal protective equipment, PPE, how to set up containment zones and negative air pressure systems, safe removal and disposal techniques, emergency response and decontamination procedures, federal and provincial safety regulations. He earned his Alberta asbestos worker ticket, which certified him to work in controlled areas. Some technicians also complete related programs in occupational health and safety, environmental sciences, or construction technology to expand their careers.